So here we are, Firkin Point, Loch Lomond, day one of our holiday. Yeah, it's like a sort of wildish camping spot. You've got to pay for a permit, which is £4. And we just sort of pitched up over there, just waiting for the coals of our barbecue to cool down. And then we're going to have a bit of a barbie. So we're just chilling. What a view though, look at that. So we're away for a week and we stopping here for one night, Firkin Point, Loch Lomond, and then tomorrow we're going to drive down to Oban. We've got a little shepherd's hut. We've got like 5 nights in a shepherd's hut up there, sort of near the Isle of Mull. So yeah, looking forward to that. Just come down here to get a little bit of sun. Chilling. Look at that for a view. Loch Lomond, baby. Oh. Do the surfing.